Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can unmute sites and pages in the Comet AI web browser. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm on the Comet AI web browser, and let's assume you're on a website and you don't hear any audio, any sound, anything, and you don't know why or what caused this. So there are several possible explanations. Option number one, guys, how you may solve this is simply check if the tab you're currently at hasn't been muted by you accidentally. To do that, right click into the given tab and simply check if here it's not saying unmute site, because if it would mean also that the given site has been muted. So if I mute this manually, there won't be any sound, and simply right click into it and select unmute site. Option number two, guys, check if general settings for audio and sound here in the Comet AI browser haven't been disabled accidentally either. So what you want to do is simply click into that drop down menu in the top right corner and navigate to your browser settings, and inside these navigate to privacy and security on the left hand side, and here click into site settings. And after that, guys, you will need to expand the additional permissions and follow the entire list. Let me find it. Expand additional content settings here at the bottom, and the first option will be sound. So click into it and check if sound can or is playing. As you can see, it is currently enabled for me. If that's not the case, guys, for example, if they have been turned off here to the right, you may re-enable these and also switch from don't allow to allow here. And that's it. And in the last option would be, guys, to check these lists here at the bottom with customized behaviors to check if there's not, for example, a website or specific website listed here. You have accidentally, for example, or on purpose, taken away the permission to play audio and sound. So if you see these on that list, simply remove them. Here to the right, you will see a trash icon so that you can remove the given site from that list. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.